I'm gonna start off by gelling my eyebrows. I'm using Got2b glue to gel my eyebrows. I'm just gonna pull up, then towards the top I'm just gonna line out how I want my eyebrow to be shaped. Now we're gonna apply our concealer to shape our underbrow, and then I'm just gonna drag it forward and blend. Then we're gonna repeat on the top and we're gonna blend this in. So now I'm gonna take my waterproof Kiss Luxury 24-hour eyeliner. I'm gonna apply it to my waterline, and I'm also gonna apply it to my top lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect because again we're gonna start smudging this out to create that smoky effect. So now we're gonna just make a line over here. Again, it don't have to be perfect. So now we're gonna just drag it upwards, and this is creating that smoky effect that we're looking. So this is my Violet Voss Essential 2 palette. I'm gonna take my chocolate brown. So now I'm gonna take my chocolate brown and apply it from my middle section right where that black is into my crease. From the same palette, I'm gonna take clay and apply that above my crease. I feel like this is like softening out that brown as it transitions from the black to the beige kind of color. So now we're gonna line this up with concealer and put our foundation on. Foundation. Mi handy dandy contour. Now I'm gonna blend all this concealer on that I just put on my face. Oh wait, y'all can't forget the nose. For blush, I'm gonna use my HIPDOT Sun Goddess palette. I'm gonna be using the color Sunbeam. Ooh. Some highlighter. For my mascara, I'm using Essence Lash Princess. This is for volume and curl. Tarte lip gloss.